Good morning then all, here we go, Wednesday the 20th, west-northwest winds today, 25 to 35 mile an hour gusts if possible. It's going to be sunny, we're going to have some showers, we're also going to have some clouds. Some of the showers could be quite persistent and heavy. We've got 8 Celsius here on the coast, now it's going to feel a lot colder where you're in exposed areas. Big word for a Wednesday, exposed, meaning open ground and on the seafront in particular. Now all the bait's in, all the commons, plus all the frozen. There will be no rag this weekend. It doesn't give it very nice, and I'm not going to bring loads up. But there'll be plenty of other bait. There'll be fresh rolled yellows at the weekend, commons, flats, so you've got plenty to go around. Cuttlefish, sand eels, blueies, it's all there. Just a rag I'm not going to bring up this week, lads. Have a look on the www.gillpier.com website. I've put the write-up on there. Now we've got high tide at 12:30 PM today, and half an hour for the evening tide, if you're brave enough in this weather. Now start booking your bait in advance like you have been, please. It's a lot easier. At least you know when you're travelling down on your way, it's there safe for you. You never know what weather you're up against. Any tackle shops, either me, John or Fred. So keep that in mind. So whatever you're doing, have a wonderful day. If you're a day off, take an umbrella with you. Drive safely. Keep a smile on your face. Wrap yourself up. Bye for now.